Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Mr. Silman talking to you live from 5th grade classroom at Glendale Elementary. We are going to review for the test that is tomorrow afternoon. And so let's go ahead and pull up the Smartboard file. I'm actually talking to you from the board. I'm not sitting on my computer today, so you might have to turn up your volume just a little bit to make sure that we hear it. This is the study guide that you filled out in class this afternoon. So let's go through the answers. Let's make sure you know how to do all of these problems. All right, first one. 2 to the 4th power times 7. 2 to the 4th stands for 2. We're doing this one right here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Now when you multiply that out, you're going to get 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 7, multiply that out, you get 112. So our first answer is 112. Remember, 2 times 4 is not, or 2 to the 4th power is not 2 times 4. Okay, that's a common mistake. Okay, number 2, I want you to think about PEMDAS. Think about PEMDAS. Think about what comes first. Do parentheses first. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then we're going to follow this across as we're reading a book. Okay? So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay? I would go ahead and write this on my test tomorrow, so you have that. Question 3, the square root of 84. Think of our box. Something times something equals 64. It's the same number. Okay? Think of a number that when you multiply it by itself equals 64. That number is 8. Okay? Same thing for a 144. The square root of 144 is 12. 12 times 12 equals 144. Okay? Number 5. Number 5. 3 to the nth power. That means that is not 243 divided by 3. It is how many times is 3 when you multiply it by itself equals 243. So I would do this. 3 times 3 is 9. So there's 1, 2 3s. 9 times 3 is 27. There's 3 3s. 27 times 3 is 81. There's 4 3s. 81 times 3 is 243. 324, there's our answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and equals 3 to the 5th power equals 243. Okay? At any time, if you need to pause the video, go right ahead. Go ahead and pause the video as you see fit. Okay, number 6, 210. We're going to write a prime factorization or a factor tree or factor fireworks. 210, the two numbers that go into 210, what I think of right away is 21 and 10. Okay, two numbers that go into 21 are 7 and 3. Now, are 7 and 3 prime numbers? Yes, they are. 7 and 3 are prime numbers, so I'm going to go ahead and circle them. Okay? Two numbers that go into 10. 2 and 5. Okay? Those are prime numbers as well. So the prime factorization, this right here, is 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 equals 210. That is what they're looking for right here when they're talking about the prime factorization. Go ahead and circle these when they are prime. Okay. Again, go ahead and pause the video anytime that you need to. All right, number 7. After the big storm, it took Patrick 9 minutes to clean the snow and ice off each of the car at the dealership. He worked for 423 minutes. How many cars did he clean? Well, we don't know what cars, so we're going to put C for cars. We know that it took him 9 minutes to clean up each car. Okay? Times 9. We know that he worked for 423 minutes. Okay? So on the test, you might see something like a situation equation or solution equation. I just want to make sure that you know how to write an equation. Okay? And now I need you to solve this. So C is going to equal, think about what you have to do. You're going to have to divide 423 divided by 9. 9 goes into 4. Nope. 9 goes into 42. Let's say 4 times. That's 36. We subtract 63. 9 goes into 63 7 times. 7 times 9 is 63. We subtract, we get 0. C equals 47 cars. Okay? Nice. All right, here we go. There are some questions on the test like these. Okay? This stands for greater than or equal to. So make sure that you kind of focus on this part right here. 68 minus 3. 68 minus 3, is it greater than or equal to 71? No. 70 minus 3, is it greater than or equal to 71? No. 74 minus 3? Yes. 74 minus 3 is 71, and that's equal to 71. Okay? How about 77? Yes. How about 73? No. No, I would put X's down. I'd put X's on the ones you know that don't work. I would put those down. Questions so far? If you have questions, you can always pause your test. Okay? All right, let's flip to the back page. Complete the rule. Complete the rule. Let's go. All right. So it looks like these are all filled in for us. So we need to find the relationship. What can we do? Well, we could, let's see. What if we multiplied it? I have that by that right there. So that's a big hint. Let's multiply by, oh, let's try 2. If we multiply by 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Nope. 3 times 2 is 6. Nope. 9 times 2, nope. So maybe it's not 2, or maybe we need to add something. I guess for this, you might have to guess and check. You might have to plug numbers in and see if they work. Okay, so if we multiply by 2 and add, I don't know. Let's see. So if we multiply by 2, that's 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. 3 times 2 is 6. 13 minus 6 is, 9 times 2 is 18. 25 minus 18 is, I think we got it. There's 7. 42, 49 minus 42. Yeah, that's 42. There you go. That's 7. That's 7. Multiply by 2, add 7. The equation, it'd be y equals x times 2 plus 7. That's how I would write it in there. Okay, number 10. Let's try number 10. The phone company charges $3 to change a phone number. Okay, that's right there. $2 to install a new phone jack. When she moved into her new home, Ashley changed her number, which is right here, and had 4 new jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much did the phone company charge Ashley for this work? Well, this is 0 phone jack. She just changed her number, so that's $3. Now you need to add the $2 on. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Here's the $2 that we're adding. 7, 9, 11. Okay, and we get that for each of the phone jacks. Now we need to graph it out. So our number here is 0 and 3. 0, 3. 1, 5. So on our chart, on this right here, 0, we need to do 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 5, 1, 5, right there. Oh, I made a little, erase that guy. Okay. 2, 7, 2, 7. 3, 9, 4, 11. And then we're going to draw a straight line going all the way up. Okay? That's what you need to do on the test. Okay? Number of phone jacks installed. We can make a prediction if we keep moving this line all the way up. Okay? So eventually, as you get into more and more math, you're going to actually move and make predictions all the way up. Make sure you study for your test. Remember, you can watch any of the videos from this past week and a half. I hope you have a great evening. Study really hard. The test is long. It's 4 pages long, plus an extended page. So it's actually 5 pages. Okay? You can send me questions on Schoology. I will try to answer them as I can. Otherwise, you can touch base with me in the morning. Have a great evening, and I will talk to you tomorrow.